because we owe it to the next generation of Filipinos to show them that no one, no matter how powerful, no matter the title, is above the law. Huwag nating hayaang masanay ang ating bansa sa kultura ng pagkalimot. Because if we let up now, we fail the very Constitution we swore to protect. Let us therefore move forward with heavy hearts but clear minds. If the Vice President is guilty, let the truth convict her. If she is innocent, let the process clear her. But let it be done through the light of justice, not the shadows of silence. Ituloy na natin ang huling hakbang ng yugtong ito para sa katotohanan, para sa sambayanang Pilipino. Esteemed colleagues, beloved countrymen, malayo pa, pero kahit papaano, sa totoo lang, malayo na.